Wagwan massive. Don't know, say your girl Whitney coming back at you.
It's your boy Jessie.
Yes, guys, and today we're gonna give you a little bit of advice.
Oh yeah.
Marriage advice. I know it might seem like, ooh, they're gonna give us advice. Yes, we are, and it's some good advice. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much based off of what we experience. You know what I'm saying? As since we've been married, so it's just some stuff that we learned about financing and how to keep us, happy and balanced and on the same page. Because when it comes to finances, it's so important during a marriage, because it can make and it can break your marriage.
Yeah, and it can be a really tricky topic to discuss with your partner sometimes. Yeah, because you might have different views from your partner. You just gotta, find a common ground and make it work. Yeah. That's what we did.
Yeah. Alrighty, so the very first thing is setting goals. You guys have to set goals. Alright? So, I mean, if you're gonna set goals, that means you guys have to have the same priorities too, right?
Yeah.
So that's how, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you have to set goals, financial goals on what you guys want, as far as saving, as far as spending. You know what I'm saying? What you're gonna buy next week?
Next month.
Next
year.
Well, that's.
I mean, you could plan to buy a house next
year.
year. Hey, long term, short term, in between term.
Yeah, you're right. But it's so important, you guys have to be on the same page. You got to have the same priorities. Talk with your partner and see what their financial goals is, compared to yours, and just put it together. You know what I'm saying?
The master plan. Make it into a master plan.
So, for example, right? Let's say if you make $100, right, and you want to put up 30%, you would put $30 up into savings, and the rest will just be, whatever, fair game, whatever other bills or whatever else you got to take care of.
And then also a trick that we use is we plan out all our paychecks. So we both get paid every 2 weeks. So every week there's income coming in.
Right, yeah.
And we plan it. Yep.
My week is the opposite of her week. So
we plan accordingly. Like all our bills are planned out by the month.
So it's so important too to share a bank account. You know what I'm saying? Don't have a separate bank account. If you're married, the best thing to do is to have a joint bank account. That way you don't have to worry about who's paying for what. You know what I'm saying? If you both got the same bank account, all the money going in one place, then the bills are getting taken care of from that one place. You know what I'm saying? So that's so important. If somebody out there is married and they have separate bank accounts, please comment below and let us know
why. Why?
Let us know the benefits.
I want to know why.
I don't understand why.
I don't understand it either.
But I'm curious to know, why someone would have separate bank accounts if you're married. So definitely comment below and let us know.
I think it work out better when you have a joint account, simply because all the earnings are going in one place. Right. And you can split it up. Like I said, we do it, each of us get a paycheck every 2 weeks, right? But it's the opposite weeks. So every week we got income coming in to match our bills. You see what I'm saying? So say the cable is due at the first of the month. Say the internet is due in like the middle part of the month. We have a paycheck coming in every week to match each bill. So we just list them out for the month and assign what paycheck pays what bills, you know what I'm saying? And it works out smooth for us, and we still able to save, pay our bills, and still got money left over to play with, and do what we want to do. So I feel like it works out good for us. Definitely, like he said, if you guys don't have joint bank accounts and you don't put all your income in the same account, please let us know, because I'm curious to know why you don't do it and how it works for you. So do let us know in the comment section down below why, because I'm interested.
So it's hard to save money if you don't know where your money is going. So
you gotta set a budget for everything.
Create a budget
and stick to it.
create
You have to.
a budget.
You got to be really disciplined when it comes on to that, because then you will know where the money is going. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're an impulse buyer, like I used to be at one point in life, it really does not work out, because every time you go into a store, you see something, oh, it's cute, let me grab it.
Especially Walmart. Come on, you know, you say you're gonna go to Walmart to buy food, you got it planned out. You're gonna spend $50 on meat, $50 on perishable goods, cabinet food or whatever. When you go in Walmart, you know you about to walk out with something you didn't plan on getting. So
yes, that's true. That's true, because I've been a victim. We both been a victim to that. So you gotta create a budget and try to stick to it as best as you can.
Write it out.
Yeah, and then you'll see where your money is going. You know what I'm saying? Like we just went grocery shopping and we had a budget, you know, and we stuck to it, because if we didn't, you know what I'm saying, every little thing that you see that you might want is the possibility of making you go broke. Because, you know, you want to splurge, but sometimes you just gotta let that go.
You can get it another time, just not right now. You know what I'm saying? Just plan it. Plan out when you're gonna get it. You know, so that's so important. Budgeting. Yeah, we do notice, like, we used to do the whole
spend one
and save one. Yeah. So when my check come in, we'll save it, and hers come in, we'll pay it on bills, or vice versa. That's how it used to be, but
didn't work out.
Yeah. So we do like the 30% of each check thing. We are saving a little bit more than 30%, because we start knocking off some bills and everything.
Way more than 30%.
Yeah. But, you know, I think it's better than the save one.
Spend.
But that is an option though. If you do the whole save one, spend one, comment below, let us know how it's going.
Yeah.
Because I'm curious on that one too. So as far as banking go, we have we with a credit union. And the reason why is because we want to build our credit up. Credit unions are more open to young people like us who didn't have a lot of credit. They're more open-minded to lending you stuff to help you build your credit. So,
and repair it.
Oh yeah. Versus a bank, they don't trust you because you ain't got nothing.
You don't got nothing.
No, right, but like, how are you supposed to ever start
credit, right?
You know, if you never had a chance in the first place? So I would definitely recommend a credit union, because I mean, we have a great experience with our bank, you know, so
we love it. So to me, banks are like, you know how like you graduate straight out of college and you're applying to jobs. Mind you, you don't have this experience that they want you to have, but all these jobs are saying, oh, you have to have 3+ years experience, this, that, and the third, but you don't have it. You leaving straight out of college. Like, how you supposed to get a job? You know what I'm saying? So that's where the credit union come in. You know, they help you start everything off or repair it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty much like that.
Yeah.
And I like the credit union. I think they pretty good to this.
Yeah, pretty dope.
Yep.
All right, so a big deal too, right? You don't have to spend a lot of money to spend quality time. It was at one point we were, you know, we planned a date once a week. I'm saying it didn't matter which day it fell on, but we'd go out once a week. You know, it wasn't a lot of money. We'd probably go to the movies, or we'll go bowling,
get some
shoot
ice
some
cream,
pool or something. You know,
walk around the park.
Yep.
Or just come home, run a bubble bath, you know, drink some wine, watch TV.
That's so important. Quality time is so important. A lot of people, they're really active before they get married. Then once they get married, they get comfortable and start to relax. But you still have to have that spark. You still got to go out. You still got to have fun. You still got to enjoy yourself. So
and enjoy each other.
Yeah, most definitely. And when you're going out, it's cool to bring people with you sometimes, but don't bring people all the time, because it is people out there who okay, we're gonna go out and bring my friends with us to go bowling. Sometimes it just need to be just you and her, or just you and him, you know, because that's who it is. It's you two. So
yep. Sometimes I like to be selfish. I don't want to share him with nobody. I want my time with him. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Same thing.
And then another time we got family time. You know, there's a time and place for everything.
Yep.
It's that simple.
But like I said, you don't always have to go out spending a whole lot of money. You can sit at home, watch Netflix, chill, order a pizza, something like that.
Now, we're not saying there's not going to be times when you want to take a vacation or something and enjoy yourself. But you just got to plan for it.
Let's talk about vacation, as a matter of fact. So if you do decide to take a vacation, it's important to look for deals.
Man.
Right here, she is the budget hunter. And she handle all that. She find all the deals and everything, on plane tickets, on hotels, everything. So at least one of you guys need to be that guy who's like, forget it. Like, hey, we trying to save, even though we got money in savings, and we finna spend this money to go on a vacation. We gonna save some of this money.
Yep.
We gonna use this money the best way we can. So, cause y'all work hard to save all that money to do whatever it is you want to do. Make sure you have a plan for that. You know what I'm saying? Cause you don't want to just save just to save. Have a plan for it. What is it saving for? Is it just for backup emergencies?
Yep.
Or is it for a trip? Or is it for an event that you guys are throwing or something, for a gift? Like what is it saving for?
A house, a car,
Yeah. That's important.
So guys, we used to spend a lot of money on, takeout, going out to eat and stuff like that. That dug a hole in our pocket.
Yeah, we save so much more money now that we eating at home. So like you said, we go grocery shopping every week, and we pretty much know the kind of food we eat already. So we just go grocery shopping and grab everything that we need to cook whatever we normally cook. A good tip is to write down, whenever you're out of something, just write it down on your phone or write it down on a sheet of paper. That way when you go to the store, you can remember what to get.
Keep track, so you don't just go picking up random stuff and going over your budget again.
Go shopping together, and do not go shopping if you're hungry. Eat first, okay?
Because you gonna pick up everything in that store. Like, I need this. I need.
Hey, we did that, and so much food go to waste because of that.
Yes.
Like, we throwing away so much stuff because of that. So.
Yep.
So yeah, that's important. We spent a lot of money on takeout, and we saving a lot now that we eating at home. We still do get takeout, don't get me wrong, but not as much, and we save a ton. So
I think the reason why we ate that much is because, like, a lot of takeout is because we were both working in that time period. We were working like non-stop, back and forth. We didn't have time to cook, but you have to make time. You have to make time to cook in order to save money.
Yeah, we was gaining some weight too. Picking up some weight.
Look, I put on a few pounds, okay?
Me too. And my belly, not good weight. All mine gaining weight.
No.
I mean, once you get married, you kind of gonna get fat anyway. No, I'm just playing.
So you trying to call me fat?
No, me.
Oh.
Because you cook a lot, so.
I am fat though. I got fat.
You got fat.
I gained some weight.
So another thing, taxes. So we filed married joint on our taxes. It went good the year before this one. What's important, make sure you both are paying your taxes out of your checks, alright?
Don't be looking at me. So
either claim 1 or claim 0. Because if one person owe, we both owe. So yeah, somebody forgot to pay their taxes, and
whatever. Okay.
Ended up owing the government, but pay your taxes. You know what I'm saying? We paid them. So that's cool. But like, if you guys not saving and stuff, like, it can be so stressful. And it can be a burden on your relationship, and some people don't realize it. When And don't be afraid to talk to your spouse or your boyfriend, girlfriend. Don't be afraid to talk to them about the finances, you know, because communication is key. Some people nervous, and sometimes financing is a hard thing to talk about. You know, you don't want to bug them about it too much, but you guys have to be on the same page.
Or make anybody feel uncomfortable.
Right.
You know.
Right. But it's important. You guys have to be on that same page with that. So. Yeah. You guys got any questions about it? About financing, saving money, or any advice, suggestions, anything that you need from us or you got for us? Let us know. Comment below. We always open-minded. We always open ears. So we like to talk just as much as we like to listen. You know what I'm saying? So.
Yep. Because you're never too old to learn. You know what I'm saying? Like you learn every day. Like this, your whole life is a lesson. So.
Exactly. You never stop learning.
Never. So just let us know what you think, or if you got anything to say. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the upcoming videos.
Yep. And we are currently at 171 subscribers. Guys, we're still on the road to 200 subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. Yeah, tell him about Jessie and Whitney. Tell him to run, come over here, so come check we out. Yes, guys, and we do appreciate you all. We appreciate every last one of you for subscribe and stick with we so long. Yeah.
Right. Exactly. Hey, and let us know if you think this was helpful for you. If you're not married yet, if you're thinking about getting married, if you're already married, let us know if this advice helped you guys. We're going to start making more videos
like
marriage advice. So this is going to be part 1.
So stay tuned for the next one, guys.
All right. Stay tuned.
Later.